So prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So these both these are, that is the, what is the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So these two are the fundamental basic classes of the cells, and which are distinguished by their cell size and their internal structure, or they are classified on the based on the size and their internal structure. So this existence of two classes of cell without any intermediate type represent the one of the most fundamental evolutionary separation in the living world. So pro means what? So they are the most primitive to eukaryotes. Okay, but still they share the many characters in common. So what these are the common characters? So first is that cellular contents. Okay, so in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, the cellular contents is limited or present inside the plasma membrane. Second one is that the plasma membrane composed of the lipid bilayer with intermediate proteins. So that we called as a carriers. Then the DNA is the genetic information is carried in both groups. Okay. Then the chemical composition of nucleic acid, that is the DNA and RNA, and their organization are similar in both groups. Then they both possess the transcription, translation, and DNA replication mechanism, both in prokaryotic and both eukaryotic. Both these three process, both not both, but all three process are carried out, which include transcription, translation, and DNA replication. So then next is the stop codon. So in both group, these three stop codons are present, and stop codons are the UAA, UAG, and UGA are similar in both groups. Okay. Then the structure of tRNA is also similar in both prokaryotics and eukaryotes. Then they both possess the glycolysis and TCA cycles. Then the metabolic pathways are the multi-step process, and each step is catalyzed by the specialized proteins and enzymes. Okay, in both. Then ATP is the energy currency or the high energy molecule which is present in both, that is the prokaryotes and the eukaryotic. Then the photosynthesis also present in both, like the, for example, in prokaryotes, photosynthesis is present in blue-green algae, and in eukaryotes, photosynthesis is shown by the plants. Okay. In photosynthesis, as you know, there are the two types of reactions are present. First one is the light dependent reaction, that is called as the light reaction. Second one is the light independent reaction, that is called as the dark reactions. So both the photosynthesis process are present in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Then proteosomes are with structure which is present working in the both groups. So these are the similarities which are present in prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Remember, in your syllabus, difference is given, but you should know what are the similarity between them. So next is the, what is the difference in between them? Okay. So as we know that overall biological process, events, and organization is similar in both, but their mechanism, then their component is vary in both groups. So which are given here. So first is the prokaryote. Pro means pre, karyon means nucleus. So pre-nucleus is the prokaryote, two nucleus is the eukaryotes. Then the prokaryotes are originated about 3.5 billion years ago, whereas the eukaryotes, they are originated about 1.2 billion years ago. Then pro means they are the primitive form, whereas the eukaryotes means they are the advanced form. Then next is their cellular organization. So in prokaryotes, usually they shows the unicellular organization, whereas in eukaryotes, they usually shows the multicellular organization. Then true nucleus is absent in prokaryotes, whereas the true nucleus present in the eukaryotes. What is the difference between them? Okay, I will discuss later on. Then the small cell size. So prokaryotes shows the cell size in the sense of cell size in the range of 1 to 10 micrometer, whereas in eukaryotes they shows the cell size in the range of 5 to 100 microliters. Then next is the membrane bound organelles, okay, which include the nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, chloroplast, lysosome, perioxisome, endoplasm, reticulums are absent in prokaryotes. So here one of the expected question is membrane example of the membrane bound organelle is, okay. So which are the membrane bound organelles? So they are the nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, chloroplast, lysosome, perioxysomes, and the endoplasmic reticulum, which are absent in prokaryotes, whereas they are present in the eukaryotes. Okay. Then next is in eukaryotes, they are a majority organelles have the single or double membrane system. Then next is the genetic material. Okay, so in prokaryotic genetic material mostly consists of the single chromosome, whereas in eukaryotes the genetic material consists of more than one chromosome. Then next is the distribution. So this genetic material, as there is a membrane bound organelles are absent, for example nucleus, okay, and because of that this genetic material is present in the central portion or distributed in the central portion, and that is called as a nucleoplasm, okay, whereas in eukaryotic cells the genetic material is present in the nucleus. Then chromosome is present with covalently circular DNA, whereas a chromosome here with a linear DNA is the present. So here one of the difference is given, just I will show you, okay. So you can now just we discuss on that membrane bound nucleus are absent in prokaryotes, right? So because of that, what happened in prokaryotes, and because of absence of this membrane bound nucleus, so intact process of transcription translation is carried out in the nucleoplasm and not separated. So here you see all the process is carried out in the cytoplasm, okay, or nucleoplasm, that is not cytoplasm but nucleoplasm, okay, like the transcription translation, okay. But here in eukaryotic cell there are the membrane bound nucleus are present, okay. Because of that this process like the transcription is carried out in nucleus, then mature mRNA synthesis is formed, and this mature mRNA then transported into the cytoplasm, and this in cytoplasm then translation is carried out. So these process are carried out in different organelle, like the transcription is carried out in nucleus and translation is carried out in the cytoplasm. So this is in eukaryotic cell. But what happened in prokaryotic cell? Both these process, that is the transcription and translation, both are carried in the same organelle, okay, or you can cite in the cytoplasm, okay, and this process here carry out simultaneously. But here this process are not transcription and translation, they are not carried out simultaneously. Why? Because transcription is carried out in nucleus and translation is carried out in the cytoplasm. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So this is
Yes, ma'am.
the major difference, okay. Then the next point is the chromosome, which how it is present, okay, it is present in close with circular DNA, where it is present in linear DNA. Then next is that cell division. So in prokaryotic, cell division is carried out by the fission and budding, okay, and mitosis and meiosis is completely absent. But in eukaryotic, cell division by the mitosis in meiosis is carried out, okay. Then the nucleolus is absent, here nucleolus is present. Then the ribosome type, so here 70s is present, here 80s present. This is also one of the most favorite question of the examiner, okay, type of ribosome and its distribution. So 70, how it is 50 plus 30, and the 80 it is a 60 plus 40, okay, subunits. So sometimes they ask the question on subunits, okay, they make the calculation, okay. So here 60 and 40, sometimes what they do, they can give 40 and 40, sometimes they give 40 40, okay. So how, but remember this is the 60S and 40S. In here 70S, the ribosome subunit, one is the 50S and second one is the 30S. So AS is the sedimentation coefficient or Swedberg unit of the centrifugation. Then next is the DNA. So DNA is a naked DNA and it is not associated with histone protein in prokaryote, but in eukaryote, DNA is wrapped around the histone proteins. Then next is the endoplasmic reticulum is absent. Hence, protein synthesis is freely distributed in the cytoplasm. This point we have already discussed. Then next is the internal membrane system. Okay, present and associated with the respiration and photosynthesis. Here, internal membrane system well developed and cell organelles are surrounded by the single and double membrane. Then the flagella are present with simple organization in prokaryotes, whereas in eukaryote, flagella is present. If present, okay. So if present, then they are the very complex with 9+2 arrangement of the microtubule. 9+2 लक्षात ठेवायचं. Then microtubules is absent in flagella, but here microtubules are present in flagella of the eukaryotes. Then flagella are the extracellular and not enclosed by the cell surface membrane. Here flagella and intracellular surrounded by the cell surface membrane. Then cell wall is composed of the mucopolysaccharide. Here in eukaryote, cell wall if present, it composed of the cellulose. So cell wall कोणामध्ये असते? Plants मध्ये असते and which is made up of the cellulose. And in fungi also cell wall is present and it is made up of the chitin. Okay, but in animals cell wall is absent. Okay, but in prokaryote means the in bacteria mostly. Okay, so cell wall is composed of the mucopolysaccharides. सो त्याचे कुठले युनिट्स असतात काय हे आपण नंतर बॅक्टेरियाचं स्ट्रक्चर बघताना डिस्कस करणारच आहे. देन ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आर द हॅप्लॉइड कंटेन ओनली सिंगल कॉपी ऑफ जीनोम, whereas here organisms are usually diploid and very rarely polyploids contain the 2 copies of the genome. Then plasmid is the extra chromosomal genetic material and usually present, but in eukaryotes plasmid is absent. However, mitochondria and chloroplast are the autonomous with its own genetic material. Then the cytoskeleton system is absent in prokaryotes. Sexual reproduction is absent. In eukaryotes, both are the present. Okay. Then the process like the transformation, conjugation, transduction is present for the exchange of genetic material in prokaryotes, whereas these process are completely absent in eukaryotes. Then respiration is by the mesosomes. In eukaryotic, respiration is by the mitochondria. Then the chloroplast and mitochondria is absent in prokaryotes, but chloroplast and mitochondria is present in eukaryote. And how they are? So they are the double membrane bounded, autonomous with its own genetic material. Then the photosynthesis takes place in the membrane system of cytoplasm. Okay, but in eukaryote it takes place in a chloroplast. Okay, and chloroplast contain the membrane stack into lamella and stroma. Then the nitrogen fixing capacity present in some forms. Okay, but in eukaryote nitrogen fixing capacity is completely absent. Okay, so because of that reason microorganisms are used for the production of biofertilizer and nitrogen fixers. Then the endocytosis, phagocytosis completely absent, but eukaryotes, this the mechanism, that is the endocytosis and phagocytosis is present. Okay, mostly in animal cells. Then the cytoplasmic movement, that is the cyclosis, is absent in prokaryote, but here cyclosis is present in eukaryotes. Then next is the well-developed intracellular extracellular communication system is absent in prokaryote. Here communication system is present. Then the cell cycle duration of the prokaryotes is the 20 to 60 minutes. In eukaryote, cell cycle is it takes the time almost up to 24 hours. Then regulatory mechanisms of DNA are relatively simple. Regulatory mechanisms are highly complex in eukaryotes. This point is already we have discussed. So this is all about the difference between the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. समजलाय? ही जी स्लाइड आहे आता ही मी बनवलेली नाही, ही स्लाइड शेअर वरची, सो आय विल शेअर यू. ओके, समजलाय?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक आहे, थांबायचं आपण इथे की घेऊ पुढे?
नो मॅम.
ओके, नेक्स्ट याच्यामध्ये आपण बॅक्टेरियाचं स्ट्रक्चर इन डिटेल बघूया. मला अटेंडन्स द्या 1 to 10, 1 present, 2 present. Okay, in this way. चला,
Roll number 1 present, ma'am.
next.
Three present, ma'am.
4 present, ma'am.
Next.
Roll number 5 present, ma'am.
Next.
Roll number 6 present, ma'am.
Next.
Roll number 7 present.
Roll number 8 present, ma'am.
Next.
9 present, ma'am.
Next.
10 present.
11 present, ma'am.
Roll number 12 present, ma'am.
Next. 13, 14, 15.
Roll number 15 present, ma'am.
16 to 20.
Roll number 16 present, ma'am.
चला बोला पटापट. 16 to 20.
Roll number 16 present, ma'am.
16 झालाय. Next.
13 present.
राहिलेल्यांनी मध्येच नाही द्यायचंय, नंतर द्या एंडला. आणि तुम्हाला मी सांगितलंय की तुम्ही रिनेम करताना सरनेम ठेवा. याचं काय होतं, अटेंडन्स देताना तुम्हाला समजतं आपला पुढचा नंबर नसेल तर पटकन आपण दिली गेली पाहिजे. आम्ही 50
Ma'am,
मिनिटं
voice break
बोलल्यानंतर तुम्ही 1 मिनिटं तरी बोललं पाहिजे की नाही. चला सांगा. 15 to 20 मध्ये 16 झालाय, 15 झालाय. नेक्स्ट.
18 present, ma'am.
ओके.
19 present, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट.
20 present, ma'am.
21 present, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट.
22 present, ma'am.
23 present, ma'am.
24 present, ma'am.
25 present, ma'am.
26 present, ma'am. 27 present, ma'am.
28 present, ma'am. 29 present, ma'am.
30 present, ma'am.
32 present, ma'am. 33 present.
35 present, ma'am.
36 to 40.
37 present, ma'am.
38 present, ma'am.
39 present, ma'am. 41 present, ma'am. 42 present, ma'am. 43 present, ma'am. 44 present, ma'am. 46 present, ma'am. 47 present, ma'am.
48 present, ma'am.
48. You are absent for last 2 lectures. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
50 present.
Okay.
51 present, ma'am.
52 present, ma'am.
53 present.
Okay.
54 present, ma'am.
You are absent for last lecture. Okay. Next. 55. 56.
56 present, ma'am.
You are also absent for last 2 lectures. 56.
57 present, ma'am.
58 present, ma'am.
Okay, you are also absent. Next. 59, 60. 61. 61.
63 present, ma'am.
62 present, ma'am.
एक
63.
मी 60 अरे सिक्वेन्स ने द्या 62 then 63 then
Present,
next
ma'am.
next
64 present, ma'am.
next
65 present, ma'am.
next
66 present.
next
67 present, ma'am.
next
present, ma'am.
next
70 present, ma'am.
next
72 present.
next next चला ज्ञानेश्वर मयूर रोहित
75 present.
next
79 present.
okay
80
next
present.
78 present. Hello, ma'am. 78
yes 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 next 76 77 आहेत का नंबर सांग नंबर सांग
Hello, ma'am.
हा
Roll number 60 present, ma'am. Network issue, ma'am.
ओके ओके अजून कोणाचं राहिलंय अटेंडन्स द्यायचं
Roll number 40 present. Hello, ma'am.
Harjul Arti, this is your first lecture.
Ma'am.
व्हॉइस ब्रेक होते चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाका बरं ज्यांना रेंज इश्यू येते ज्यांचं अटेंडन्स झालंय ते लेफ्ट होऊ शकता नेक्स्ट मीटिंग जॉईन करा सावंत यश वेलकम दिस इज युअर फर्स्ट सेकंड लेक्चर ओके मागच्या दोन्ही लेक्चरला अब्सेंट आहे तू
Hello.
ज्यांनी दिलेला आहे ना गार्गी परदेशी नो नीड टू सेंड अगेन ज्यांचं पेंडिंग आहे त्यांना मी विचारते ठीक आहे आपण एंड करूया
Hello, madam.
हा
59 present आहे.
हो घेतलं मी चॅट बॉक्स मधनं
Okay, ma'am.